Well, hello, PreAlgebra. Welcome to week 5. This week, we're going to be looking at evaluating and substituting variables, which means we're just plugging variables in, solving through the problem by doing our addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and getting a number at the end. And so here's our videos talking about that instruction. Here's the actual notes that you can follow that I've taken in the video if you want to have that paper version, or at least the digital paper version. And so here's the practice that goes along with it, but there is a change to our discussions. Now, in usual, the discussion can be a question, an answer, or just a comment describing what you know. This week, the discussion itself is just the comment about what you know. So the question and the answer parts about that discussion have been moved. And what I decided to do is I've decided to make that extra credit. And so in this separate discussion down here, you get 1 extra credit point by posting that question. Be as specific as you can so that people will know what you're referencing, what problem you're talking about, and where you got stuck. And then you or someone else can answer as many of the questions as you want. And for every question that you answer, you get an additional extra credit point. And so you can earn a total of 5 extra credit points over the course of the week by posting a question and answering other people's questions. If you go on and it turns out that someone's question's already been answered, you can go ahead and answer it as well in your own words. And so that way you'll be able to support each other, help each other out, and really focus on getting those questions answered. In our regular classroom, it's never mandatory to answer someone else's question when they ask it in the middle of class, and so that's why I moved that to the extra credit part. I always need to know what you know and what you are capable and willing to do, but to be able to help each other out, that is going above and beyond. And so that's why I moved it to that extra credit piece. Thank you guys. I look forward to working with you this week. Take care.